Hi everyone, welcome to my professional learning network. First, this is my homepage. It is where you see where I work, the degrees that I earned, and the reason why I want to create my own PLN. For my overview, I talked about the benefit or the purpose of this PLN and some encouragement for professionals who could read this, so they will have this opportunity to create their own PLN. About PLN, you can see in this page what the meaning of PLN is and how to build PLN. So I have the scripts and the videos on how personal learning network is being built. I also have like sources. Let me just click this, where you can see that this source is very good for professionals to see. And this is the link where you can see daily ranking of education blogs. Going back to this PLN, you can also see the top reasons why every teacher needs professional learning network. Okay, how do I get connected with professionals or educators to create PLN? So I have the Facebook. I also have the TweetDeck. I have the Pinterest, the LinkedIn, the Twitter, Digo, and why Digo is a very good tool for you to use in collaborating and sharing resources. We have like blog and the podcast. All of this are presented in my PLN with scripts and videos to help anybody to create their own PLN and be connected with this social media. Going back to my blog, I have here the Twitter live chat that we did. There are also the steps on how to host the successful Twitter chats. And I showed here the information about our group's marketing plan and how we're going to start with Twitter live chat. So we have like 6 questions. Each one of us have a task or assignment. Guidelines are being presented by the group. And we have the scheduled time when we started to advertise the hashtag for our group chat. And these are the samples of my live chat with the group. I also presented in this page my Twitter chat reflections, my overall impression, what I learned about Twitter chats, and the analysis of live session. Okay, so my PLN I thought about showing my PLN starting with mind map. So this is my PLN mind map. I realized that the first time I made this, it's different now. When I started to build my PLN, I started to think about like some organizations that helped me to grow professionally, and this is it, the mind map that I did. I thought about start with my PLN with my students. So these are my students. And then I'm going to start with my PLN inside school. So the JCBA, or the Joseph C. Briscoe Academy, have our own PLNs. So there's always a staff professional meeting every month. It is a mandatory monthly meeting for all staff where all staff discuss school climate, students' academic, teacher practice, special activities, and other school initiatives. Okay, another PLN inside school that I have is the instructional team. So this is held every Wednesday of each week, and it is where the discussion about school data, academic, school climate, and school improvement plans are being held. Also, we have a weekly session with my team in the career technical education. So we meet every week to discuss the classroom pedagogical practice, student data, and the current trends in education, instructional framework, and today's technology. For my other inside of school PLN, I had chance to lead the student family council, and this composed of all the stakeholders, and the purpose of this family council is to bridge the gap between community and school to ensure safe and active, clean, and successful learning environment for students. So we hold the meeting every second Wednesday of the month. And now I'll go outside of school, and my PLN consists of the following. So it's, even it's occasional, but I usually hold seminar workshop in the Philippines, connecting with public teachers. And I also have my staff in the Philippines. In one school, Peter Paul Academy, where I also usually give them professional workshop. Also, I'm the member of Baltimore Teachers Union, where this union help us to join in workshops or seminars for teachers. I'm also connecting myself to Department of Education in Philippines with my connections. And currently, we have an active organization. It's a Filipino American Society in East Coast, USA, where most of the members are teachers. Also, I try to connect myself with Baltimore City Public School System officials and AFT is the partner of BTU. Also, I'm having my outside PLM with Filipino educators in Maryland. We also have some professional development. And this one is the most exciting one, the social media, where I have these tools that I use to connect and collaborate. to expand and explore with my PLN. I'm just starting to use this um, te- technology or education technology. I have my membership here in AECT, so I can explore and collaborate and learn a lot from there. Professional articles and collaboration. And the rest of these are also some of the sites that I usually like to go to for me to be able to expand my PLN. Okay. So I love this creating and logging in into Pocket. It's very nice. So I have here how to use it and the video. Okay. So I also thought of adding here the archive of our chat. We have here the digital literacy project that we had that may be helpful to my PLN as well. The EdCamp analysis, the interpretation implication that could maybe help my other PLN network colleagues. Okay, also the reflection on local to global learning modes and the rest and the digital literacy reflections. And my contact, I'll just put there all the contacts that I could possibly be reached for additional networking. And for my conclusion and takeaways, as the saying says, together we are better. My PLN experiences appeared to give me encouragement to take more active roles in my own PLN. PLN engagement seems to increase my professional reflections. It mediates various social benefits of connecting and collaborating. It also helps me encourage and thought about planning PLN for my students for them to connect to global networks. With the PLN experiences, I am consistently positive every day now. I'm excited about teaching again, thinking that I can help my students to build their own PLN and be an influence to other teachers to create their own PLN as well. My other takeaways is that I have to continue build my PLN and I learned to value that PLN is one of the best resources or special achievements that I have because with this one I thought about thinking of connecting with other professionals and most especially I start to gain more confidence as professional.